We understand what is cloud, but in this video, we are going to discuss what are the future of cloud computing and what are the possibilities as an individual I will have in the cloud computing industry. Okay, so first of all, let's look into what is going to happen and what has actually happened. So this is actually a report by Gartner. In 2020, you can see the industry has grown around $250 billion. But in 2021, the industry has reached around 367 billion USD dollars. So you can understand, like, not just the industry, but as per se, I say cloud altogether is actually quite important these days. And a lot of businesses, lot of startups, lot of companies are investing heavily on cloud. So you should realize like what will be the impact, or I should say impact, in 2022 in cloud computing. Now, obviously there could be a reason like, Avinash, since you're making this video, you are saying that, well, you can see there are two videos available here. You can see what these experts are saying. So if you want to watch these videos, you can click here and they will let you know why they have completed this certification in cloud and why they are actually quite confident why you should become, or like you should spend, or you should learn this technology of cloud. Okay, so the first prediction is advanced security for a very specific reason. Every single company, I should not say every single company, but yes, majority of the companies, be it startup, be it small businesses, be it big businesses, be it Fortune 500 big businesses, they all are moving into cloud. Now, obviously, the core reasons are very varied, but yes, in future, we will be having a lot of expertise around advanced security for a very specific reason. All the customer data will be on cloud, or it is in cloud right now. So what is going to be required from your set of expertise? What is going to be required? That you provide advanced security sort of a mechanism so that the company can keep the infrastructure secure, so their customers and the service providers are having full confidence related to whatever is happening within the platform. We're starting a bootcamp where you can start learning cloud computing step by step, even if you are a fresher. So join our bootcamp, inquire about our bootcamp from the link in the description of this video. Okay, so the second prediction is you are not going to be limited to a single cloud, where I'm saying multi-cloud, for a very specific reason. These days, a lot of companies, when they go for a single vendor, they face a lot of challenges. Maybe some services are not available, maybe there is a downtime, maybe the pricing issue. So what is happening these days? Companies are saying, hey, whatever best you have in this cloud, I'll take that. Whatever best is available in the second cloud, I'll take that. Whatever best is available in the third cloud, I will take that. So this gives the jump to the multi-cloud strategy. Now, I want to mention to the person who is actually watching this video right now, you would be wondering, Avinash, does that mean that I should have multiple cloud expertise? Well, the answer is, for obvious reasons, yes. For a very specific reason, because you don't know what kind of a client or customers are coming to your door. So you have to understand that if you have a good expertise in various different cloud platforms, that is going to give your career an advantage in coming future. Okay, so the next segment in our prediction is edge computing. Now, obviously, a lot of people would be like, okay, what was cloud computing? I'm confused right now. Now, what is this new edge computing? Well, edge computing is basically keeping cloud near to your customer. So like if customer is here, and if I have to reach somewhere here, it is better that I will provide something related to him here itself. So basically in edge computing, you reach to the customer at the nearest point and provide your cloud computing services there. Now, why this is going to have a huge impact in coming future? For a very specific reason. After pandemic, a lot of people are moving towards the smaller towns. If we talk about India, Zoho Corporation has moved to a remote location. Now, obviously, Zoho would prefer, if the majority of the customers, or I should say their team is in a certain location, they should have the cloud nearest to their particular location, so that actually they can even go manually and do some stuff if they want to do. So edge computing is going to have a huge impact around the globe for a very specific reason. Instead of having in clustered location, let the cloud reach to the various different edges, so the customers of the cloud will have a better leverage over this technology. Okay, so the next prediction is serverless computing. Gradually, what is happening now? Cloud has actually enabled a lot of people to actually move away from the traditional way of actually creating an infrastructure. So what is happening now? People are moving from infra to platform to software, now software to SaaS. So basically SaaS is like, if you're a developer, you should only worry about your coding. You should not be worrying about how to provision a database, how to provision a network, how to provision a virtual machine. So you have to understand the serverless computing is going to give a huge impact to various new startups who are coming in, because they don't have to worry about huge things. They don't have to manage a huge infrastructure. They just have to write a piece of code and they have to release it to cloud. That is going to make all the work for them. Artificial intelligence, obviously this is a huge segment and it has a role in every single industry, and obviously cloud is one, for a very specific reason. Artificial intelligence is going to actually understand how customers are using cloud and how efficiently they can use the cloud 2 years down the line, 3 months down the line, 6 months down the line. Secondly, if we talk about the security threats or various threats which are coming to the customers or maybe within the infrastructure, artificial intelligence model can actually predict those kind of threats, and they can actually surface those threats to make sure that they are not reaching at the threat level, or they are not destroying the infrastructure which the customer has created, and obviously keeping the data protected. And finally, we have DevOps. Now, DevOps is going to play a major chunk of role in future of cloud. If you don't know what is DevOps, we have a video there. And if you want to understand what is the impact DevOps is creating, we have a separate video in our channel where one of the expert who has DevOps certification was discussing that. So as we are discussing, DevOps is going to play a vital role, because obviously since everything is available on cloud, why don't we deploy everything through cloud, using cloud? So it is going to save us the deployment time and also going to save us the required time. So that is it for this video. I just want to understand, if you have any confusion, any doubt, put them in the comment. If you need a career guidance, obviously in that case, there is a link in the description of this video or also in the comment section. Click that link, fill in the details, and someone from our team will make sure that your career doubt is clear, because this is what we stand for. So thank you very much for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one.